Today we're talking about digestion support. Let's start with some symptoms of poor digestion so you can kind of recognize it. They can include constipation, gas, bloating, upset stomach, unintended weight loss, heartburn, abdominal pain, or just abdominal discomfort. According to Gastroenterology Consults of San Antonio, there are several ways that we can improve our digestive health naturally at home. That's what we'd like to do, right? First, we can add vegetables and fruit into our diet. They contain healthy nutrients and fiber. We're going to talk about fiber a bit to support your digestive system and really overall health. Antioxidants in fruits and vegetables even have cancer-fighting properties, and then that fiber is really the key to lowering our risk of constipation. Whole grains still have dietary fiber, iron, antioxidants, and other healthy nutrients that are really lost when we process them and make them white flour, white bread, crackers, or pastries. Fiber lowers our risk of constipation, as we've heard, and also whole grains can help support that healthy gut, that good gut bacteria, which is important for us to be able to use the restroom regularly. We should be going at least 2 times a day. And it's also going to help us really digest food and stay healthy. Gut bacteria is the key to so many aspects of our health. We do want to limit added sugars. So too much sugar can upset the balance of the good bacteria in our gut, and it can cause inflammation in the body. We do want to eat foods with probiotics and or find a quality probiotic. The healthy bacteria, it basically crowds out that bad bacteria that we don't want in our gut, and that's really important for healthy digestion, and that's what we're going for today. We want to be drinking half our body weight in ounces of water. You've probably heard me say that before. You can drink too much water. There are a lot of things out there that are saying drink way more than that. I do not recommend that. We can throw off our electrolytes. So sometimes people even say, what should I drink right after a meal, or what should I drink during a meal? And water is actually going to help with digestion. Some people think it kind of dilutes or washes away the minerals. Studies really are showing that it doesn't do that. So you can drink water before, during, or after a meal to help with digestion. Also, a 10-minute walk right after you're done eating any meal, it does help with digestion, and it also helps keep our blood sugar from spiking. So I highly recommend just a quick 10-minute walk right after every meal. And if you do that 3 times, you've gotten in that 30 minutes, and 30 minutes a day is what we're looking for. Some people are surprised, but getting enough sleep actually does help with digestion. Maybe you've heard rest and digest, and I'm passionate about a great night's sleep because it supports every other aspect of our health. If you are struggling to get a great night's sleep, doTERRA's new sleep system is amazing. I highly recommend that. I'll put a link in the comments. I'm getting the best sleep of my life. And then some products that I recommend for digestive support is doTERRA's probiotic. It's called PB Restore Probiome Complex. And so it's really going to support the entire microbiome all over the body, not just in the gut. There is no other probiotic on the market like it. It's absolutely incredible. I recommend doTERRA's digestive enzymes with each meal, and that's just going to help us break down the food quickly, keep all the stuff that we need, and get rid of all the stuff that we don't need. And then we talked about fiber quite a few times, and we talked about fruits and vegetables. So I recommend a scoop of fiber and a scoop of greens every day. I do this at 4 o'clock. I do a scoop of fiber and a scoop of greens together in about 8 ounces of water. I shake it up really, really well, and that's my 4 o'clock snack. I absolutely love it. It usually keeps me from snacking again before dinner, but if you guys know, if I'm hungry, I've given myself some time to breathe. I've had a little water, and I'm still hungry, you know that I'm going to go ahead and eat the snack. I don't think food is anything that we're trying to give up. So the last recommendation I have is for that just occasional upset stomach. I recommend either doTERRA's Digest Zen or Tamer Blend. Just roll it right on the belly to help calm down anything that's going on in the tummy that's causing you some discomfort. Please let me know if you have any questions, subscribe or follow, and I will see you next time.